Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Parallel Frequent Item Set Mining with the Spark RDD framework for disease prediction. Our project abstract. This algorithm to design to perform all small chunks of data. These limitations were imposed based on the time that they were developed. The notation of big data was not up the running these times. This algorithm want to perform well on the current statistics of data present. So we propose a new approach of implementing this well-known algorithm on a parallelized manner so that it can handle the data perfectly. The proposed work parallelizes dynamic frequent item mining algorithm, faster IABA with the Spark RDD framework. The main goal of selecting Apache Spark is to overcome the limitations of Hadoop architecture, which is basically designed to handle big data processing in parallelized manner. Our project flow diagram. In this project, we have the three processes for the patient registration and admin process and donor process. In the patient, register login into the server. After the login, user enter the patient details based on the electronic medical records and get the donor details based on the already stored from the server. Donor and next administrator. Administrator is nothing but admin verify the all user and store the data from the all user to the server. And next admin VA donor and patient details based on the overall the people are registered into the donor and what are the people are registered into the patients. And next VA predicted patient details. Suppose the patients are send details to the admin view and predict the details based on the user electronic medical records, health records. And next VA treatment server symptoms. The symptoms and treatment is based on the user given disease based symptoms be sent to the patients. And next donor details. Donor detail means nothing but donor provide the blood to the other patients. Suppose the donor already is into the volunteers and we have prediction is nothing but what are the patients needed for the blood and find disease nothing but already we choose the data set from the network and download the data and choose the data to the disease based predictions. And view treatment symptoms is based on the disease based predictions. Let's see the demo of our project. First we are going to run the home file. This is a process for the donor and the admin and the patient. Just we are going to use the admin process. As existing admin and new admin and enter your name and get ID. This is our ID for the admin and enter the password. Going to launch, register successfully and admin going to login. This is our ID, enter the ID we generated and enter the password. Login process successfully and this is our admin panel. View patient details, order the patients will be entered here and view donor details. These are donor details and view disease patient. Select the stage 1 disease based on the users, stage 2 users and view symptoms for the users and what are the treatments for the users and back. Next view the treatments. This is our patient treatment. This is our Kati and view region. This is our patient details and pre-treatment and post-treatment only the. Suppose we are going to update the treatments. This is okay. Update details. They updated successfully and back. Okay. Next we are going to the patient details for the new patient session and new details and new patient session and get ID and pass and enter the mail ID. Okay, this image and register here. is successfully. Okay, this is our patient name and choose image. Okay, here enter the check. Yes, profile image well matched. Here going to login success. Okay, the view user details and view donor details. Next, we are going to see the donor details. Okay, new donor registration. The new donor registration. Enter the name and get the ID for the donor. Enter the password and enter the mail ID. What the number of times blood donated? 10 times. Or last date of blood donation. Address. Yes, sir. This is successfully. And donor ID 5 and enter the password. Login successfully and view donor details. What are the donors will be registered here and patient predictions. Choose dataset. Dataset will be the patient prediction based on the user selected. Is diabetic, allow to HDFS. Data will be loaded into HDFS and map and reduce task. Map and reduce process is running in the background process. Okay, our map and reduce task will be finished here. Under the counters, the task will be completed here. And next we are going to view data and next load data and find disease. This is our disease based of disease. Store values stored successfully. And next load data and find the stages. These are the stage 1 users and the stage 2 users. Store values. Okay. And next under the symptoms, this is stage 2 users. Review the symptoms and review the treatments. And back your patient details. What are the patient details and view donor details. So these are the donor will be here. Okay. Our project demo is completed. Thank you for listening.